In this video, we'll guide you through how to use Quick Share on a Samsung phone. Quick Share is a great way of sharing and receiving files, so let's go and get started. First of all, if you want people to be able to go and share files with you, you need to go and drag down at the top of your phone and search for Quick Share. As you can see, here is the Quick Share option. Now click on it, and after that click on turn on. You need to turn Bluetooth on also, so click on turn on. Now as you can see, now my device is ready to receive files from any other device that are trying to use Quick Share to share the files. Also, when you look at the downside, there are two options, that is either to receive or to send. Now you can also click on send and tap on select files, and you can go to your library and select any image. For example, I'll select this and click on done. If you want to send this selected images, you will see any devices under the share to devices nearby option if they have turned on their quick share options. So please make sure that the quick share is turned on other devices and set on receive mode, so you can click on their phone and send the images. So it's that simple and go to use. And of course, you can go and share with other devices as well. I'm just using my phone right now. You can send to any devices such as your PC, tablet, or even another phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.